Okay, love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the install, but really quickly, I wanted to show you this gorgeous wig that we're rocking today. All details on her are linked in the description box. She is a beautiful lace wig, and I did no customizations myself. You guys can see she's long, she's full, she's giving everything Black girl magic. She's even giving a little bit of a Juneteenth vibe. So I thought it would be perfect to bring her out for this beautiful weekend. The baby hair has a new, like, innovative, it comes like curly and really short. I've never seen anything like it, and I did use a newer product, not new to me, but just something that I typically don't use in my videos to slay the edges and baby hair. And I like the way it just looks nice and natural and not like perfectly swooped or uniform. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link to her in the description box, but without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay guys, so it's Wednesday, June 15th. It is 2:42 in the afternoon. I have to be gone by 3:30 to get baby girl to gym. No, today's Wednesday. I have about 20 minutes to get myself ready before I have to get baby girl ready. She has cheer today. I'm so excited. I've never was a cheerleader except for like in elementary school, so it's kind of like I'm living vicariously through my girls. Okay, so I was gonna go blonde short, but I think I'm gonna go kinky straight long. Look at how beautiful and full this wig is. Absolutely gorgeous. They have it set as a center part, and as you guys see, no customization needed. The hairline is beautiful. The knots are already bleached and all that. So let's just do a quick little try on. As you can see, nice and beautiful, very full. No tangles, nothing coming out as far as like shedding goes. And then this is the back. So what's cool and interesting about this one is the baby hair. They've already like created the baby hair, and as you guys can see, it's like exactly how I would want my baby hair to be, to look natural. Isn't that really cool? Okay, so really quickly before we start the install, I want to give you a really good look at the hairline. They included curly baby hairs. Now this is a first for any company to send me baby hair that is not only like set out in like short, but it's textured like, you know, curly, if you want to say mimics African American texture. It just mimics like coarse curly baby hairs that matches the texture of the hair, but it kind of like, if they are not like styled and done, it just kind of looks like what your natural hairline will look like. So just playing with them a little bit to see like what it do. They definitely move and all of that. It's just literally like, if you want to see, like, it pulls. So like if you're someone who wants to like get a really tiny flat iron and like straighten them or put the hot comb to them, you definitely could, and they will react. But you know, they kind of just help you do a little bit of the work. So let's do an easy install. I'm gonna take my edge control from bedeckbeauty.com. I already cut off the excess lace, and I'm just gonna send my own edges back. Look how beautifully my edges lay with my edge control. Look at how my edges naturally sit, and then when you add that edge control, how relaxed and smooth they get. Definitely a huge difference. So make sure you shop bedeckbeauty.com, link in the description box. You know, I'm rushing a little bit today, so I feel like my hair always comes out better when I rush. So as that goes ahead and bonds down, let's go ahead and get the hairline as straight and flat and smooth as possible. We are going to be using our wax stick, and it is linked in the description box. Now you see it's white, but by the time we are working it in, combing it in, brushing it in, using our flat iron, it will of course dry clear, so you don't have to worry about that. I'm going to do as many heat passes as I need to get this one super flat. This electric hot comb does, wow, okay, I wasn't expecting it to get that hot. So the texture on this one does get relaxed, as you guys can see. Sometimes it doesn't relax at all. This one appears to get super relaxed.
Alright, Mommy. I love you.
Aw, I love you more, mommy girl. It's the best thing, the best feeling in the world is being a mama. So as you guys can see, the hair got super flat. I'm gonna go ahead and add the concealer to the parting. You guys know Fenty is my favorite for the parting. I try to switch it up and go with powder, but nothing beats this concealer. I'm speeding it along, but I still don't think it's as dry as it needs to be. It's not. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. It's wet. You see that it's wet still. Let's go ahead and dry it down. Yes, baby. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job, baby girl.
Yeah, you running off. My hands are tied. You coming back. My hands are tied now. We're making love. My hands are tied. I'm waiting on you, trying to play, but my hands are tied now. You running off. My hands are tied.
Okay, so I kind of combed that baby hair out. This is my first time, so I'm just going to take a little edge control and see what happens. Okay. So I'm going to use my edge control from BedeckBeauty.com, and I'm just going to make normal baby hairs. Again, what I like about these baby hairs is that if I don't want to style my baby hairs, it has that like natural hairline look a little bit, so you don't have to worry.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to.
I wanted to do edges. I wanted to do like my own edges, so I cut the lace like into the hairline so I can blend the lace with my baby hair. But because the hairline did not get an opportunity to, sorry about Fortnite, because the hairline didn't dry the way I wanted it to, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna let my lace laze while my daughter's at gymnastics. So that's with one heat pass. Is it different? I can say it's mildly tamer if you go in and section it piece by piece. Since I'm not necessarily going for silky straight, I want middle part with big hair. I don't mind not, I don't mind not like sectioning it out. I don't need it silky straight. I want my hair to match my last name, Lyons. I look like a lady lion. Okay, love bugs, fast forward to the next day. I've been rocking this beauty here. I'm a little bit more dolled up today, so I decided to come back and show you the hair the next day. The hairline, you guys know we had the beautiful new innovative baby hair going on. This is what it looks like. I did remove the makeup from my hairline just to be able to bond this wig down, so forget what I got going on. I just focus more so on the actual hairline. I did cut the lace like to go back here. You guys know I prefer that for day-to-day maintenance, and I'm trying to be fancy and sassy. I'll leave all the lace so that I can do like some good baby hair. But day-to-day, I can treat my lace frontal wigs like closure wigs when I cut this, because then I'll only have to worry about bonding this down. And if you've ever worked with wigs, you guys know that baby hair or the sideburn is really what is a little bit more hard to maintain, more specifically through the heat, because you guys know it doesn't matter if you're using a glueless adhesive, an active adhesive. Okay, hopefully that's better, but it doesn't matter if you're using a glueless adhesive or an active adhesive. When it's hot outside, it can be waterproof. It's gonna test your gangster right around the sideburn area. So I love this look. I'm gonna go ahead and do a style. I think I'm gonna do like 2 French braids going back, but I wanted to show you the hair in its beautiful natural state, just straight down. Now this is definitely a full wig, so I recommend playing with it again and adding like braids, putting it in a half up, half down and such. It definitely will be a vibe. I love it. Also, you know, as a center part, and it's definitely the perfect canvas for fun. So like hair accessories, your bandeaus, your headbands, all of that will look good with this beauty. Or you can just keep it as is. You can, you know, keep it behind your ears and do 2 braids, a low bun, a big pony. The big pony is a vibe. Okay, so I am finished with this look. As you guys can see, I just did a little cute little messy pinup. A lot of the times we want to do a whole lot to get to our end goal. We want to do, you know, some professional, you know, Instagram look or install, and really all it is just make it look cute, make it be a vibe. And so I just grabbed the hair, put it up into a bun, as we like to call it in my household, and we are good to go. So the hair is nice, beautiful, full. I'm in love with it. Be sure to check out this company. I'll have a link to it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!